You should know at least some basics anyway. You should get some proficiency during a weekend if you are programmer already. Everyone thinks that new and shiny high-level languages are changing the world, but this is not really true. Most important stuff from OS to other programming languages is written in C. As per Dennis Ritchie, the inventor of C language, C is a high-low-level language. So, the C expects the programmer to have good domain knowledge and understand the system architecture like memory organization, processor, etc. Dennis Ritchie designed this language to implement Unix OS in Bell Labs. I think he never thought to make it public. But it became popular because of its execution speed and code size. This is just above assembly language programming. The compiler is straightforward. This language expects the programmer to know more system knowledge. Let us see the following code for example. If you compile and execute the above program, you will get the answer -56. So, as I mentioned before, first try to understand the simple operations and try to use them. First, understand the difference between C language and C programming. C language is knowledge. Set of rules defined by Dennis Ritchie. C programming is a skill. C language can be divided into 4 groups. 1. Must-have language features. 2. Extended language features. 3. High-level language features. 4. Maintenance features. Guaranteed execution time and memory consumption. There is no garbage collector or runtime to play tricks. Raw speed. Modern C compilers generate code nearly as fast as handwritten assembly. Low-level access. This is language of choice in microcontroller world. That is why embedded systems, operating system kernels, drivers and game engines are developed in this language. The best thing about C is that you can do anything you want. The worst thing about C is that you can do anything you want. If you cannot conceive of any reason to use it on your own, then you probably should not use it. When it becomes needful, its usefulness will become apparent to you. At that time, you may get some insights which might have been helpful long before you started using C.